I'm gonna take you through my summer night routine. What's up, you guys? It's Khadijah. You're doing self-care, also unwinding. It's been a long day. I've been rubbing my eyes and I want to show you guys. First thing I did was take my makeup off the Prequel, because when I tell you, ever since I used this, I was like, okay, I really love it for my skin. And I think a double cleanser is so important, and I used to like take it off with just micellar water, but now I go in with the oil cleanser, and I feel like it just actually helps my skin so much, because I think I'm very acne prone and I wear makeup like pretty much every single day, and I feel like that really helps me. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, I always take off the rest of the makeup with this micellar water. This is what I used to use before, but now I feel like this is like a good middle step for taking off my makeup. So I like to go in and just see what else like makeup is left on there, because I've been getting pimples. Like, my skin has been breaking out so much, and I always get like a big pimple under my eye for some reason, but the micellar water really helps me to get everything off of my skin. Okay, y'all, look at how much dirt is on both of these. That is why I love to cleanse my skin exactly how I did, because I feel like it really helps to get the gunk. And we haven't even washed our face yet, so you know it's a good sign. Oh, also, I saw somebody say on TikTok, y'all, I stay on TikTok. That is another thing. Like, I be on there, so follow me on TikTok. But they were like, why are you rushing? Like, when you're in the bathroom, like, take your time. Like, it's okay. And I've been so conscious of that, like, taking my time. And I feel like that makes a world of difference, like, with every single step. Like, when I'm brushing my teeth, like, I love to take my time. Washing my face, like, I make sure to cleanse my face for, like, a full minute. Being in the shower, I'm really, like, thinking about cleansing my body. And I feel like that really just helps me feel so good and feel like, oh my gosh, like, I've washed the day away. And it's really nice, you know. For cleanser, I've been using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, and I really like this one. I recently started using it though, probably for the past like two to 3 weeks. This is the hyaluronic acid hydrating gel cleanser. It's fragrance free. It says removes dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping. So I like to do like a little quarter size of that, and then I'll rub my hands in, and I like to put a little bit of water on them and get them very hydrating. Also, when I'm washing my face, I don't know what it is, but I like to run the water. I know some people be like, why are you still running the water? But I feel like it just feels like I'm in like a spa. My skin feels so clean. So now that we wash our face, I'm gonna get in the shower and put on my scarf and my bonnet. I'm gonna show y'all what products I use too. Okay, so for shower products, I love to use a couple faves. I'm gonna go in order of like how I use them. The first product I love to use is this Dr. Bronner's Magic Soap Peppermint. Like, when I tell y'all, this is so good. I love Dr. Bronner's soap. So I will cleanse my whole body with this, and also I'll use a dial bar of soap, because I mean, those are just like my two to just really cleanse and just get my body fresh and clean. I also sometimes like the lavender Dr. Bronner's, but this is another favorite that I will use as well. I'll go between like the peppermint and the lavender. Like, it really just depends. Always the dial as well to kind of mix that in. The bar is old, so I'm not about to show y'all, but y'all get the point. It's like a little yellow thing. Like, if you don't know dial, I don't know what to tell you. After that, we go in with this Glycolic acid body wash. I love this. I recently got this, and I just know it's going to like exfoliate my skin and get it very like smooth. Exactly what I've been needing to implement, because recently my skin has been changing so much, like my whole entire, like my face, my body, and I really just want to make sure that I'm taking care of my skin and getting it all smooth and luscious and just staying as, you know, pretty as possible. Like, the skin is the most important vessel on our body. Is it a vessel? I don't know, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Maintaining your skin is super important. I'm trying to sound out smart. I'm talking about vessel, child. I don't know, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Glycolic acid body wash, okay? Thank you. Naturium, really good stuff. And then I also like to go in with this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. Yo, I love anything Aveeno, like anything Aveeno. I love them so much. I've been using them for years. So that is like my big three or my big three or my big four for my body wash. And then I'm gonna show y'all what else I like to use because this is about to be such a good shower. So let me show you. I'm gonna shave my legs today. So I'm gonna go in with this. This is the Tree Hut Vanilla Bean Moisturizing Shave Oil. I'm so excited to use this, and then I'll just go in and it like really lathers all over your body. So I do shave my arms, so I like to shave my arms, shave my legs, shave my underarms. You know, we keep it cute and smooth around here. And then another product that I really like to use as well, and I'll probably be using this because I really love using this under my arms. This is the Bea Bikini and Body Scrub. Now, if you get ingrown hairs, this is a really good product for you. So it is fragrance free, but it has this like very refreshing like mint sensation that I really like using it for. It doesn't smell like anything, but once you like put it on, you'll feel what I'm saying. Like you'll feel like the refreshing scent from it, if that makes sense. Just to let y'all know, I like to use a washcloth and I like to use an African net sponge because I feel like both of those combined like are gonna get you right. And yeah, so now we're about to shower and I'll talk to y'all when I get out the shower. So all right, so we just got out of the shower, so let's go do the skincare and the body hydrating care. What? You know what I'm trying to say. Let's go just put on my lotions and all the things. Let's go. Okay, before I do my skincare, I actually want to show you guys what I've been using for like my teeth routine. So let's get into that. So this right here. So I like to typically go in and like oil pull, but I'm not going to do that tonight because tonight we're going to use Crest White Strips. So I'm just going to be brushing my teeth. Okay, so this is a floss that I like to use. This is the Oral-B Satin Floss, and I recently just got this one. And I normally use Oral-B, but I've never seen the satin floss, so I decided to try that. And then for toothpaste, we're going to go in with this Optic White. Colgate is my favorite toothpaste. And then we also use this TheraBreath. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. So we back at the vanity, and I actually am here to dye my brows. So I got this Just for Men mustache and beard gel. So we're about to see what's up with this. I've been wanting to dye my brows for a minute and I want to see what it's gonna give, so let's try it. So it comes with this little tray. So it comes with these two, and we're going to put the color base in first. Is this the base? Okay. Oh my god, this is not as dark as I thought. So that's the base. I saw a black man on the front, so I was like, okay, they know their target audience here. Okay, squeeze the developer right next to it. I don't know why I'm shaking it. Now it says mix with brush handle. Okay, so it's like a little like science experiment. Mix. I don't know, I wanted to smell it, but it definitely smells like chemicals. Okay, so it says set a timer for 5 minutes, so I'm gonna set the timer and then I'll tell y'all what it looks like after. Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes. So in the meantime, we're gonna be adding in our Crest White Strips, and I'm really excited about these. That's so satisfying, opening like a package that opens so smooth. Yo, this looks black. Like, I'm scared. Okay, and then these, you can leave them on one peel, blah, blah, blah. It don't say how, oh, wear them for 30 minutes if your kit comes to light, seal, label, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're just gonna add the long one on top and then the short one on bottom. And we're gonna add the bottom. Okay, let's rinse this off. I'm really scared. I don't wanna use my hands. Okay, y'all, these the brows. Let's do my skincare for bed. So yesterday was retinol night, so tonight I'm going to be doing my glycolic acid. Now I'm gonna go in with this pie or pay, I don't know how to say it, or pie, I think it's pie because like P-A-I, Rebalance black cumin seed and overnight charcoal overnight base oil. My carbon star. So I'm gonna add this, and I feel like this just like helps soothe my face. I'm not trying to do too much because I feel like my skin has been very sensitive these days, so I'm just gonna do a simple little routine. I don't know if this has been working, but I've been applying this to my neck because I had like an allergic reaction. So this is the Ambi Even and Clear Fade Cream Stubborn Dark Spots, and this does not have hydroquinone or whatever in it. So hydroquinone, I don't know how to say that word, you guys. So then for my moisturizer, I've been using this CeraVe moisturizing cream. This is like a very thick cream. On my body, I'm going to be using this vitamin E oil blend, and then I'm also gonna be using my Nivea cocoa butter lotion. So we're gonna do these two. The timer went off for these, so let's take it off. And this is what they look like. I can't wait to see like what they look like today versus what they look like in the next 14 days. We'll see. Good night. I love you, and I will see you in the next video.